to my channel once again. I hope you're all staying well and both safe, and that you lot are enjoying your summers. Today is going to be a quick tutorial on my brown sugar human hair style mix bob wig, and you can see it says color 2, but I managed to get the displayed one in the hair shop, which was a jet black one. And I'm going to show what the wig looks like in a brief second, but I'm just showing you the boxing just in case when you go to your local hair shop you might want to get the same wig. And the reason why I've decided to go for a bob is simply just because it is summertime now and I don't want too much in my face and, you know, on my back and so forth, because it is extremely hot. We've literally gone to around 34 degrees here in London. So I'm just going to see how this looks and how it fits on. It is a really nice wig and it's light, and as you can see it comes with a middle parting, and the middle parting is already bleached. The knots are already bleached, and as you can see clearly it matches my skin tone, which is perfect. So all I'm going to do is just going to braid my hair all back after I've oiled it and conditioned it and so forth, and then I'm going to apply the wig and give you an update. So stay tuned. So guys, remember that I promised you guys that I was going to show you the end result. Here it is. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. I am so pleased. The hair is super silky and the cut is absolutely perfect. The middle parting is perfect. And I didn't put no products in, no products whatsoever. And we know that bobs are mostly associated with, you know, Kim K does quite a lot of bobs, Cardi B, quite a lot of them. And obviously it is summer now, so because it is summer, everyone just wants a short cut, nothing in your face, you know, nothing too over the top. And this is also such a sophisticated and classy look, and it sits so flat, literally sits so flat. Let me show you the back, and it's not stiff, it moves. And if you want a reminder, this is the packaging. And I think I spent around £40 on this wig, and I absolutely love it. I have no complaints. I don't need to straighten this. I don't need to go over this, literally. And this is jet black. So after I've added my lashes and so forth, I'll be good to go. Absolutely pleased. And as I said again, the cut is perfect. The bob is perfect. Absolutely perfect. And as I said again, very sophisticated. And there's no tangles. Well, there's sort of, well, not really tangles. My fingers just go straight through. Absolutely love it. I'll give this a 10 out of 10. Any product descriptions that you want to know, please let me know and I will drop them down below. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.